today in this video, we are going to make a lockable door in the Create mod. So, one of the first things you would want to do is to build the frame. This frame part isn't important, but it makes everything else much easier, so yes. Anyways, now that we have most of the hold on. Get out the door part. Okay, now that we have the frame done, now we need to add cogwheels like this. Then break all of these ones and there. Hold on a second. These are in the wrong spot. Oops. Okay. Another thing you're gonna have to get is a shaft. Place these shafts beside every single one and cover it with andesite casing. And do this. Okay. Okay, so now we add a gearbox. And this should work. Let me see if it works. Hand crank here, and hold on something. Yeah, and holes. 4. We need 4. So we'll go down. I'll connect. Good. Now you gotta repeat this process on all the sides, or you know what? This is way too many gears. It's very expensive in survival. So what I'm going to do instead is if I use this here, then with belts, then it will also work. So I'm gonna cut to when I'm done, but I'm gonna repeat this on all 4. Oh. These boxes have nothing under that. I see. One back. I move it all one back because I just realized that the now it should work. As soon as I sense. Oh, I figured it out. Oh wait, I found it. I got an idea. Okay, I figured it out. So you have to do this technique. So as I said, this, then make a belt all the way up to here, and then just sideways, and it will go here. Also, we moved it all one back, walk back. So now it should work. Fix this here. Yep. That goes down. And that pulls. You may be able to see that it's only pulling one of the blocks. And if you know what we're doing, you know that we want it to pull all of these blocks. So the way we do that is with some glue. Just do it to every single one. Or every single one. Okay, now I will cut when I'm done building this contraption. Okay, so now we've got the main part. There is one other thing we need to do so you can actually have a code though. So if I place this on the side here, I'll write 1, 2, 3, 4 for the numbers. And then I'll just get a copy of each one. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. And also just in case, you don't have to do this. This isn't necessary. I just do it so nobody creeps my build. If you put honeycomb on it, then can't make that noise. Now just add some more casing around. Let's see, 4. Hold on a sec. dig under these some more. Not dug under enough. Okay, anyways. Now you can, 3, so... Oh yeah, I have to do that. Yep. Dig 3 blocks down onto each of them. And at each of them. And it should work. Let's see. Right? What is it now? Can it go down now? Oh. I just need to fix it. I'll just add a bit more on top. Not that much, I'm just adding extra just in case. I think it's off. Let's see how much it is. It's 2 meters, so that's the Ooh, that's 4, so why don't we just... You can see it can only go after this. Now it can only go up to 4. We'll do the same thing to the rest of them, so... Dirt. Okay, so now you have to set your code. So, imagine I want my code to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then, all I need to do is first we have to not just... All we have to do is that we have to add a redstone block behind each of the numbers you want. I want 4, so I have to place a 4 for the last one, so I have to place a redstone block behind it. I want 3 for the second last, place a redstone block behind it. I want 2 for the third last, place a redstone block behind it, and 1 for the first one. And then you have to make these little things and redstone dust, and you have to get this little thing I create called a redstone link. So get redstone links, and now you need 4 of... Actually, you only need 2 of any item. Let's say my 2 items that I like are grass and block of experience. Could be even dirt and grass. So this, this, and these are going to be sending signals to... Actually, we don't need these redstone. blanks. We can just do it here. All be on. So we need to add a block in front of each one. Redstone torch. Redstone torch. Get to all be off. And do this. This setup will allow your setup will allow you to go through. As you can see, I did it. You can take a nice little look at it. And now, just now is the time where we get the redstone rank. Okay. And have an iron door. Place this on the back. And as you can see, I'd used andesite here, so which means that I have to use andesite here, which currently is not doing anything, but if I sneak, the door opens. Now just time to reset all of these. Four. Oh, I realized I know what the problem is. So, 2, 3, and 4. And now, as you can see, the redstone blocks are in the right place. And now, I forgot, we need to get some glue. And dig more holes. Yay! Anyways, now that you have your actual code, since we glued them all together, reset by set this one to 4, set this one to 4, set this one to 4. So now it will only open if we have the correct code, which is 4321. So 4, as you can see, is activating it, but the rest are it's the right numbers. So if I go to 3, then I go to 2, and then all the way up to 1, the door opens for me. Because the redstone blocks are all in the right place. It could be any code. And these numbers can be anything. It could be A, B, C, D. It could be trivia questions like, what's my favorite movie? And then it's like lists a bunch of movies on here. And the right answer is the right one. So, but anyways, yeah. This is how to make a lockable door and create in the create mod. I know a lot of people don't know what this mod is called. Well, I'm moving blocks. It's called the create mod. So keep that name in your brain if you want to make a lockable door that works. And then of course you can make like a hallway leading to your like house or your hidden secret base or whatever. Yeah. Walk to wherever. And that's how you build a lockable door and create. Goodbye, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you liked and subscribe. Bye.